Rosemary.
Good evening.
All right. So Rosemary gonna season up the chicken for us. All right. So this is the chicken. It's already washed, as you can see. It's already cleaned up. Rosemary already washed it and cleaned it up for me. All right. She used this vinegar and washed it. All right. And if you don't have any vinegar, you can use like lemon juice and wash your chicken. Okay. All right, Rosemary, go ahead. All right. So guys, this is the season that Rosemary gonna use. All right, to season it up. But before she seasons it up, she's gonna blend everything together. All right. So basically, let me show you. This is the seasoned salt. Rosemary already have the seasoned salt here. All right. This is another seasoned salt. This is all-purpose seasoned salt. If you don't want to use the Jamaican one, you can use the all-purpose one. Okay. And this is the garlic powder. All right. And this is a little sugar. It's already here. Rosemary already have it here. And this is the ginger powder. It's already here. All right. This is the chili pepper. It's already here. All right. And this is the onion powder. It's already here. And this is the allspice. It's already here. All right. And some black pepper. All right. So all of this is already here. Rosemary already have it here. All right. And then I have some seasoned here. This is the sweet pepper. We call bell pepper. In our country, we call it sweet pepper. So you have the red and you have the green. All right. And then you have the yellow. All right. And this is hot pepper. All right. This is some honey and some scallion and thyme. Okay. So all of this right here is already here. All right. So Rosemary, going to season it up for us. Go ahead, Rosemary. Rosemary gonna show us how she do it. So guys, this is my big sister. We're doing everything from scratch, guys, so you can see how it's done. Right, Rosemary?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're doing everything from scratch. Right. Yep. All right, ready. All right, guys. It smells really good. You should be in my kitchen. Woo.
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
So what you're gonna do now? All right, let me do this, guys. All right, guys, what you can do, if you have a fork and your knife, you can just pop up your chicken a little bit. Right, Rosemary?
Yeah.
Just tap it up a little bit. And don't take off your skin off your chicken, guys. This is the best part when you're doing jerk chicken. Right, Rosemary?
Yeah.
This is the best part when you're doing jerk chicken. So don't take your skin off. Okay?
Just drip it a little that the season can
mermaid into it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so... Alright guys, so
you're gonna mix everything together.
Okay.
You're gonna mix everything together.
Alright.
You can use a spoon and you can use your hand too.
Okay, but make sure your hands is clean.
Yeah,
Rosemary and is clean. Me and I wash our hands before. So make sure your hands is clean. Alright, Rosemary, do your thing.
You're doing everything together.
Yeah. Alright.
You turn the chicken.
Let me get over here, go over there. So you can do your thing.
Sprinkle it over your chicken.
Okay. That smells real good. It smells real good. The season, smell real good.
And make sure every one of the piece of the chicken get the
season. Yeah.
You can tip a little bit of your brown sugar.
Okay.
Over it.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Then you take your blend season.
Okay.
You take your blend season, and you.
Oof, Rosemary, that looks real good. Take time, Rosemary. Be careful with that thing inside.
Just straight out and pour it all over.
Okay. Guys, you should smell this. Oh my goodness. This smells really yummy. I don't even cook yet.
I'm burning it in my hand.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to use like a tablespoon a tablespoon of browning because you don't want it too black, but you need color.
You just wipe it all over. All over, and then you rub it in.
Okay, because you already stab it up already.
Yeah, so it go inside.
Okay.
And you turn it over and you rub it up. You know, in here, so it's where you have to get soak.
Okay.
Yeah, so after
But
soak.
guys, if you wanna season your chicken like the day before, you can do that. Okay.
Yeah, you can season it.
You can season like the day before and cover it. Okay, so the next day it will ready and everything. Okay, but right now we don't have time right now, so we're just gonna season it and we're just gonna put it on the grill. Okay. If you don't have a grill and if you don't want to do it on the grill, guys, you can do it in the oven, in the stove. Okay, you can do it in the stove if you don't have a grill. Okay.
This is how you season.
Okay, guys, so guys, we're gonna put it on the grill right now and show you it on the grill. Okay, as I said, if you don't have a grill, you can do it in the oven. Okay, put the oven at 350 degree. All right, and
brother.
yeah, and once you put it on 350 degree, guys, you put a file paper over it because you want the inside to cook. Then okay, so you can make it cook for about 40 minutes with the file paper, and then like give like the next 20 minutes, take the file paper out off so it can burn up a bit. Okay, so it's like 1 hour, right, Rosemary?
1 hour.
It take like 1 hour or 20 minutes. Okay,
because the junkets are the eat inside of it.
Okay,
so you stab it with the meat, the
far.
So the eat go inside.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna put it on the grill and we're gonna show you it on the grill.
Finish.
All right. So see you outside. Okay. Hey guys, this is the jerk chicken. It's on the stove right now. Hey guys, look at that. It's cooking really nicely. I'm gonna show it to you once it's finished. Okay, and make sure if you're cooking it on the grill, cover the grill. Okay, because if you keep the grill open, it's gonna burn up. All right, so once you put it in, you cover your grill. All right. Okay, jerk chicken is finished and ready to eat. So here you go, Jamaican jerk chicken. I hope you like this video. The chicken already done. Here is the jerk chicken, guys. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. So now we're gonna do tasting. Okay. All right. So Rosemary, I'm gonna give you some mashed potato here. Give myself a little mashed potato, okay, and some vegetable here, just a little vegetable here, okay, some for you, Rosemary, okay. All right, guys, so now chicken for Rosemary and chicken for me, guys. All right. So Rosemary, I'm gonna put sauce. I'm gonna put a little sauce on your chicken. So this is a jerk sauce, guys. This is the good thing. All right, guys. So this is a jerk sauce. All right. You can buy the spicy or the mild. Okay. And you can throw it in a container and warm it and put it on your jerk chicken. You can throw it all over it, or you can just cut piece and put it on it. I'm not gonna throw it all over it, okay, because I have kids. All right. All right, guys, let's go, sis.
Yep.
All right, guys, let's taste it. Come on, Rosemary. It's good, guys. Woo! Spicy, but it's good.
It's good.
Guys, it tastes amazing. someone asked me, guys, someone asked me to make the jerk chicken for them. Okay, I think on Thursday. Okay, a lady asked me to make the jerk chicken. I forget her name. I don't have her name with me right now, but she asked me to make jerk chicken. So this is the jerk chicken I made for you. Okay, all right. So guys, if you like this video, okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, all right, and share if you like. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Yummy. Woo.